And thank you for joining us at 11. I'm Brian Loftus.
I'm Denise Valdez. 2 false alarms on the Strip just days apart. These situations were not connected, but they still created a lot of panic and a lot of fear.
So what should you do if you think you've heard gunfire? Sasha Loftus spoke to experts tonight, joining us live on the Strip to explain.
Denise and Brian, these were both false alarms, but for those who were there, they felt like anything but. The experts I spoke with tonight shed some light on why these mass panic situations are happening and what you should do if the worst happens.
I'm sorry, we got to evacuate. There's been an active shooting.
This was the scene Saturday on the Las Vegas Strip. Then on Wednesday at Fashion Show Mall. People running, terrified, thinking there was an active shooter. Both were false alarms, but those who were there say the threat felt real.
It's very scary knowing that, things like that are happening every day.
If you're constantly on edge, especially if you hear a loud noise in a crowd, you're not alone.
The hypervigilance is what the society is living in right now.
Dr. Khurana, medical director of Nevada Mental Health, says the regularity of mass shootings in America has made most people subconsciously scan for threats.
Those trauma reminders are happening, so our brain doesn't even get a chance to forget about that.
So how can we prevent this kind of panic? Jonathan Alvarez, CEO of Protective Force International, says do your best to stay calm and listen to authorities.
Listening to everybody who has a uniform on and is directing you to safety is imperative.
And if you do need to get out fast, stay low and pay attention to your exit options to keep everyone safe, no matter how scary something may seem.
It's hard when there's so many people that are scared that it's going to happen.
Now, Dr. Khurana said in a situation of mass panic, some people also might experience what's called perceptual trauma. It is reference to if you see or hear something that you think is a threat, which is driven by fear but didn't actually happen. Reporting live tonight, Sasha Loftus, live, local, now.